Welcome back, everyone. I've talked about this idea a lot in many podcasts, and today I'll be discussing something that really impacted my life. I made this film because I believe that everyone should be aware of it. The 4 main leverages to become wealthy are what we're going to explore. Naval Ravikant, one of my favorite investors, is the inspiration behind this concept. For me, Naval's insights on leverage changed everything, and I think they may significantly affect your life as well. Understanding leverage. Let's start with the basic idea: leverage. Archimedes once said, "Give me a lever long enough, and I'll move the world." That's what leverage is, a powerful tool that can multiply your impact. Wealthy people understand leverage, while those who struggle often don't. Yes, working hard is essential, but leverage can amplify your efforts. It's about working smart by using these 4 types of leverage: other people's time, other people's money, media, and coding. Number 1. Leveraging other people's time. All right, the first type of leverage is using other people's time. Let's look at an example. A laundry business owner doesn't wash clothes. Instead, they hire people to do it. They get paid because they manage the business and leverage the time of others who work for them. Think about big companies like Microsoft. Bill Gates wasn't writing every line of code himself. He leveraged teams and delegated roles. You can apply this in your own life, even if you're not running a business. For example, if you want to create content like me, hire editors and videographers to take care of the production so you can focus on the bigger picture. Number 2. Leveraging other people's money. The second type of leverage is other people's money. There's actually a lot of money in the world, and you don't always need to have it all yourself to start something. For instance, if you have a fantastic idea for a juice stand, but you lack the funds, find investors. Present your concept, demonstrate the value, and show why it's worth investing in. Most successful businesses are funded through others' money, whether it's by taking on debt or offering a share of the company. This is why top business owners own pieces of their company, but didn't necessarily fund it all by themselves. The point here is to find people who are willing to invest in you and your idea. Number 3. Leveraging media. Leverage number 3 is media. Media is the way to scale your reach without being everywhere physically. With media, you can create content that gets shared repeatedly without having to do more work each time. Imagine creating a video once, and thousands of people watch it multiple times, share it, and it continues reaching new people. Even big names like Kylie Jenner, The Rock, and Mr. Beast have harnessed the power of media to build brands and sell products at an incredible scale. Media is the only industry where the product and the marketing are the same. Once you master media, you can reach hundreds or even thousands of people with minimal additional effort. Number 4. Leveraging code. Finally, the 4th leverage is code or programming. Coding lets you reach massive audiences without direct human effort. Look at companies like Airbnb or Uber. They don't own houses or cars. They use apps. The app is the lever, built once but used by millions. Airbnb, for instance, leverages the homes of other people, the time of hosts, and media to grow, all while scaling through code. So if you combine these 4 levers, other people's time, other people's money, media, and code, you'll have a powerful way to create wealth and freedom. In summary, if you want to grow and create lasting wealth, learn to master these 4 leverages. Whether you're running a business or working on personal projects, leveraging these areas can make a significant difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to think bigger. See you in the next one.